Hello, good morning students. This is Kshitij Mehta. Today we are starting with lesson number 5, Animating Text and Objects. This is a very wonderful chapter. Animating means we are giving movement to the objects in a slide. These objects would be text or images, and we can give the movement throughout the slide. Why do we need a movement? We need a movement to grab the attention of the public to whom we are presenting our ideas and viewpoint. When we are presenting our idea and viewpoint to the public, they don't, or they get bored listening to us. So, in order to grab their attention and make our presentation more presentable, we give animation. Let us learn how to give animation to the objects. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing, I have already entered the text and an image. If you want to insert an image, you need to click on insert, click on pictures, and you can find the images from the place where you have saved it. And just click on the image which you want to insert, press insert option, and it will come in the slide. Now, one by one, I will start giving animation. Through our textbook only, the steps are already given there. The ability to move objects like text, graphic, charts, logos, etc. in all directions of the slide is called animation. We can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects, including movement. Animation is very helpful when we wish to focus on important points. It also controls the order of the flow of information, helps to increase the audience interest. To make specific changes to the movement of the text and objects, open custom animation task pane. So how to open the animation task pane? Here the button animation is there. Click on it. Left click one time. Now we have to open the animation task pane. Where from we'll get the animation pane? Here. So on the right hand side of the screen we get the animation task pane. Now open any presentation, select the object you want to animate, choose the animation tab and click on custom animation button. The custom animation task pane appears. Click on add effect button. A drop down menu will appear with 4 options, that is entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. Let's see how. I take first object as a text, I select it, and then I will go to the animation pane. Here entrance is there, entrance, emphasis, exit. These are the various options and the motion path. All are different kind of animation which you can apply to the text or the object. The process remains the same. You need to first of all select the text or the object, and then you need to select the animation option. Let us start with one example known as swivel. We have already selected the text, the Rajkumar College, Rajkot, and see the swivel effect, how it looks. Wow, rolling. That's the effect. Now, the question comes to our mind, sir, there are only this much options available for entrance. Can we have more options? Yes. Go to more entrance effects. Here so many entrance effects are available like basic, subtle, moderate, exciting. After that we can select one, spiral. Oh, there it is. So the effect is given, and here you can see the effect. Okay, see, Here the options are given. Start on click, that means when you click the animation will start. Start with previous, that means in previous object if you are given the animation, you can click on this button, and after that animation is complete, this will start. Start after previous. Effect option, your timing, hide advanced timeline, remove. All the effects or options are available from this menu over here. You can apply it and do it. Play from. There you see. This is how you can run the animation. Choose the type of effects you want. A sub menu appears. Select any option from it. PowerPoint applies the effect. If the auto preview box is checked, PowerPoint automatically provides you with a preview of animation. So when you say preview means, here, can you see this preview option? This is checkbox. You remove it, you can't see the preview. If you keep it, then you can see how it looks. So let's see. Yes, this is how. Flying. Okay, so you can see it, and if you like that, then you can select that particular animation. Choose the desired setting for start field to select the start method you want to apply. Direction field will vary depending on which effect you have chosen. Direction can be from top, across, from right side, bottom, and so on. Speed field is used to select the speed from very slow to very fast under modify section. Here it is, see, from bottom, from left, from top. These are the various directions from which you can choose it. See, if I choose from left, it comes from here. From top right, it comes through here. Right? Here you can select the delay seconds, how much slow you want. 0.5 seconds. Let's see how it looks. See, it will take some time. From here also you can do it. 2 seconds, and then you run that. Slowly it will come. Okay, this is how you can set the timing also. Click on play button to preview your slide. So I will use F5 to run the presentation, and then press enter key and wait for 2 seconds to come. There it is. Okay, this is how you can give applying animation effects. This is the basic method. Now same way we'll try to select another object and give it. This is the flower, beautiful flowers. We are selecting the object, and we will give another known as motion. More motion paths are available. Motion you can select it from here also. Let us see. There it is. See? I'm just selecting the path, and where you want to complete it. There it is. Okay, so various kind of motion paths can be given to the object. You can also go to more motion paths. Here it is. Spiral, spring, okay, zigzag. So various kind of motion path you can select and apply to the object. You can see the path over here, dotted line. Can you see? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. That is it. You can stretch it also. Okay. Here it is. Stretch it, and you can play. Yes. So these are the various methods by which you can add animation to the objects which you have already inserted in a slide. To remove an item from the custom animation list, select the object and click on remove button on the custom animation pane. So this is the custom animation pane. If you want to remove it, click over here and remove it. That's it. So the effect given to the text is removed. Now if you run the presentation, it won't be. Only the object which I have selected is good. If I remove this also, it will go. See. Now if I run the presentation using F5, nothing will happen. That's it. Okay. So this is how we give animation to the objects which are there in a PowerPoint presentation. In custom animation pane, task pane, number 0, 1, 2 indicates the animation order. Let's see. This is add animation. Second. So two animation given, 1 and 2 to the object. Same way here. Add animation. Okay. Spin. So this 1, 2, 3 are the order of the animation given. This is green is showing that we have given to the text. Yellow version is given to the object of picture which we have selected. A mouse icon appears that applies effects starts with a mouse click. Start symbol indicates the type of effects used for the text and objects in a slide. So what you have selected is the star symbol which shows you what kind of effect you are given. You click the mouse over there, you bring the mouse on that, swivel, bounce, spin. These are the various effects which you apply to the text. Let's go to the next page. Page number 38. Adding transition. Now what is transition? Transition means you are giving the animation to the entire slide. The background what you see is the entire slide. Okay, you can give design also. First of all, we'll give the design that you know it very well how to do. I'll select some decent one. Yeah, that's it. And here I will write down RKC boys. And next I will write down RKC girls. Okay. I'll change their color. Go to home, changing the color, bringing it on center. Same way. Color, bringing center. Let me see if I have some pictures which I can keep it. Oops, I don't have it. Okay, I'll delete others. I simply click on this and you can see there RKC boys, RKC girls is written over it. Yeah? And then let us see the transition. That is the movement from one slide to another is called as transition. So here the transition button is there. What kind of slide animation you want to give? Transition is you are giving animation to the slides. So let us see the checkboard, how it looks. Oh, that's beautiful. Now if you want to apply the same effect, you see a star over here. The star indicates the animation has been applied to the slide number 1. Now if you want to apply to all the slides, then you need to click on apply to all the slides. The moment you keep, you can see the stars over here. Okay, that shows that animation has been applied to each and every slide. Let us see how. I click on F5. Okay, then press the enter key. So first animation which I had given to the Rajkumar College has been shown to you. Another animation which is again given to the object text. Third animation which was given to the object, that is picture. And now we are going to the next slide. The moment you go to the next slide, you can see the checkbox option. That is, we have selected the animation for the slides. RKC boys. RKC girls, and then we'll end the presentation. Okay, that is known as adding transition. Transitions are used to add visual effects to the slide. Transition effects are the movements you see when one slide changes to another in slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to a single slide as well as to all the slides. Follow the steps to add transition effects. Select the slide you wish to modify. Click on Animation tab. Transition to this slide group appears on the top. By default, no transition is applied to each slide. Click on More drop down arrow to display the transition effects. That is this. This is the drop down effect. Okay. Then you can see many different kinds of transition effects are available. You can select any one of it. On the mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide manually by clicking the mouse. Click on automatically after checkbox if you want to slide the slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can specify the slide advance timing also. Click on apply to all button to apply the selected effects on all the slides. Otherwise those effects will be applied on the current slide only. So that's why I said. And you can click here, remove this, and how much fast you want the transition to happen. You can select the timing from here. Okay, 5 seconds, apply to all, and then click on F5. So now automatically it should move. I am not touching any of the keys from the keyboard or mouse. This is automatically changing itself. The time has been set, that's why it is happening. That's it. So this is the way you can set the timing from here. Now if you want to insert some sound which are available over here into the slide, you have to click over here, applause. So it will start clapping louder. So you can select any of the sound and listen to it, and it will show the sound. You can hear the sound. Okay, you need to click on any of the sound and the sound will come from here. There is some error. Okay, these are the ways by which you can insert the sound into your presentation. You can also insert the sound of audio clip if you have audio on my PC. You click on audio on my PC. If you have any music item on your desktop or at any other place, you can just insert that clip into your computer system. You need to navigate and find it out where it is. Okay, audio files. If any audio files are there, you can find out and insert into it. You can also insert video file also and other files through see, here it is. I can also insert a video file if I want. Just select it and click on insert and it will come. Let's see, another slide. Here it is. See, okay, I just cut it so that it doesn't get mixed up. Next slide. Similar way, see the video file. You can click over here, video on my PC. If you have video files over here, okay, and then you can insert it. There are various video files which I can insert. Here it is. I'm selecting one of the video file and click on insert. Select, insert. You can insert through here also. Here it is. See, you can play the video. Okay, you can insert, same way you can insert sound file. You can record your own voice and insert in the PowerPoint presentation, and you can insert this in a slide also. You can give the movement also to this video. You can simply write start after previous. You can select this, so that what will happen automatically when the slideshow gets over, automatically it will start playing in the last slide. Yes. Go to slide transition, 5 seconds, automatically it should play, and let's play 5. and see how it is moving. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it is moving on its own, and I will use escape to move it out. So this is how you have applied the effect to the video also. Now if you have to insert your own sound, then what to do? Now for that you need to click on insert button, go to audio in your PC. That means if you have recorded your voice and it is saved in your PC, you can use this, or you need to click on record audio option. When you click on record audio option, first of all you need to check that your PC should have a mic which is inserted in your desktop. Once you insert the desktop, then you can write the name here as your own name or other name, whatever you like it, for the audio which you are going to run it, and then click on this button known as recording. So it will start recording the voice. Then this is the stop button. The moment you complete your recording, you click over here and it will stop, and then you need to press OK. So what will happen? The sound will be saved in your slide, and then you can listen to your own recorded sound. So we have completed till insert video clips option, page number 41, right? So I hope this is a good and fruitful thing. Thank you. Keep smiling. So I am going to save it. Click on computer, browse, and on desktop I am saving it with the name Rajkumar College. Okay, thank you and have a nice time.